Hey guys, Brandon from Brandon's Baseball Cards here. Tonight I'm going to be showing you a pack that I recently purchased that I am very confident was resealed at some point in time. So this is a wax pack that somebody opened and then put the cards back in and then attempted to make it look like the pack was unopened. Let's go ahead and look at some of the red flags that are showing on this pack, and this will hopefully help you have some guidance for when you're looking at packs, especially if you're looking at raw wax packs. There's some things to be weary of and things to look out for. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. The first thing that you need to do if you're trying to decide if a pack is clean, right, if a pack is authentic, is to look at the corner folds. And the corner folds should be very nice and even and clean on an authentic unopened wax pack. Okay. Now, this pack does have some wear, right? But this is a 1974 Topps basketball pack that I bought. Okay. And it does, it's got some wear, but it's also a very old pack. So this type of wear on the corners isn't necessarily a red flag. The red flag on this corner is actually this spot right here, because this appears to be a fold in the wrapper. And this was a fold. It was probably the original spot that the fold existed, the original spot, right, for that. And then what happened was somebody took the cards out, put the cards back in, and they did not get the exact spot correct, right? And so this is a spot where the fold was. So this is something to be very weary of. Okay, this is a red flag. So the wear isn't necessarily a big issue, but this spot right here is a cause of concern. So that's strike one. These are the other corner folds. Again, there's not really a big red flag here, right? Because this is just wear that happens sometimes over the course of a pack's life. So no major red flags there. However, the other area that you need to look in addition to the corner folds is the back of the pack. Okay, and you'll see here, I've talked about roller marks, and others have talked about roller marks on the back of a wax pack. This is what the roller mark looks like. You could see this area. There doesn't really appear to be any issues necessarily with the roller marks, and the other individuals that I showed this pack to didn't really point out any major issues. But there is this area here that is a little bit concerning, and there's a little bit down here, something that could be, I don't know if this is residue, glue residue or something, or if this is just, I'm not definitively, confident that this is evidence of tampering necessarily. Okay. The issue is down here, and it actually relates again to the fact that this is an area of the pack that was originally folded, right? This is the bottom. The bottom was right here along this line that you're seeing. And so there's this extra little bit on the bottom of this fold. So when the person, again, when they put this pack back together and resealed it, they did not go, perfectly with the original fold of the pack. And so this is actually a very big red flag that this could be resealed. Okay. And so these are a few things to look for, right? Look at corner folds and look for telltale signs that someone has resealed the pack, and maybe they haven't done that great of a job. They've left evidence of what they've done. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is just a few pointers. There's other things to keep in mind as well, but I thought this would be a great example. I'm actually going to open this pack on my channel, so you'll get to see me open a 1974 Topps basketball pack, which is pretty cool. But that'll be a video hopefully in the next week. Take care of each other. Keep collecting vintage unopened baseball, everybody.